you'll never even make it because you'll always be stuck like in this place because you're living outside your means to try to portray something that you're not. Hey everybody, welcome back to my journey to $1 million. We on week 5. Can y'all believe it? Week 5, man. Let's go. Turn up, man. Listen, I've been so excited just every single day dropping this video, every single day giving y'all just a peek inside my mindset of what's happening as I'm growing on this journey, as I'm learning on this journey. And I just appreciate everybody that's been joining and tuning in. Like, I promise you I'm going to keep the bangers coming. You feel me? Because I really want everybody to see the honest process to get into that first $1 million. All right. And just the mindset that's going behind every single day of how I'm growing and the different things I'm learning is crazy, honestly. Like, so let's get right into it. If it's your first time here, hit that like button. You already know it helps the YouTube algorithm, pushes this video out to other dream chasers like yourself. Definitely subscribe, join me on this journey. You feel me? All those things is free. And then, comment your thoughts at the end of the video on just how you felt about it. You feel me? But let's get right into it. So today's video is because this is a conversation I had a couple days ago with somebody, and it was about faking it till you make it, and just my thoughts on that, and just a better approach that I feel like that you can do to faking it till you make it. All right. So first, let's just cover what is fake it till you make it. All right. So fake it till you make it means that you are practically embodying the person who you want to be in the future. All right. So that's what fake it till you make it actually means. But I think some people take it a little bit to the extreme. What do I mean by that? Where you'll go buy a car that you can't afford to be able to pull up looking like you getting money. You know what I'm saying? You'll go buy jewelry that that credit card balance is due, but it make you look like you flexing. You feel me? You go buy designer bags, designer clothes, knowing that you can't afford it, but you want to look like the person who you want to be. All right? So that overall is the definition of faking it till you make it. Now, does that work for people? Yes. All right? But is that a really good formula for success in the long run? No. Why? Because first of all, if you living outside your means, trying to adapt a lifestyle that you want to be to in the future, then you holding yourself back from being able to invest in the things that matter right now with where you're at right now with your life, okay? And if you can't invest in the things right now with your life, then faking it till you make it, you'll never even make it because you'll always be stuck like in this place because you're living outside your means to try to portray something that you're not. All right, but let me tell you all a better thing, a better way that I feel you should go about the whole fake it till you make it thing, okay? What that is I do believe you need to show up ready when you go to places, okay? Let me explain what that means. So especially out here in LA, you'll learn this, right? That I remember when I lived in the Bay Area, I could wear anything. And when I tell y'all anything, I mean anything. And it's not even about worrying about outside people's opinions. So I want to tell you, I just want to explain the difference between that. Because when I say wear anything, I could literally go to the grocery store, go out with some holy sweatpants, raggedy or dingy shirts, and everything. And it wouldn't even matter because no one cares. It's the Bay. And it's not about worrying about their perception. It's about the point of how I am presenting myself. Okay, like you just looking like you dingy, you just don't care. But out there, it didn't matter. But in places like LA, it definitely does matter. And again, it's not about you having a designer on. It's not about you jewelry in your car. It's about just how do you look? How do you present yourself? So something that I definitely do here is I'll make sure I clean up my face. Often before, man, I might have rocked out 2, 3, 4 weeks. Hair might be growing out over my face and everything else, but it didn't matter. But out here, you definitely want to look on point. Majority of the time, just because you really don't know what type of opportunities is going to present themselves to you. And so for me, I feel like if you're going to fake it till you make it, do it in the sense of just showing up like you ready to take care of business, okay? Like you show up in a nice little fit. You feel me? It don't gotta be nothing too extreme, like just a nice little fit. You show up with your face cleaned up. If you're a woman naturally, you show up if you go makeup with your makeup done. It ain't gotta be like excessive if it's a wedding or something. Maybe some foundation or something to help you pop if that's your thing. You know what I mean? And just make sure that your clothes, is ironed and not looking crazy. You feel me? And that is what I feel like you should be doing. if you are chasing after something in your future, like you're aspiring to be something, like present yourself in a manner to where when someone sees you, they're like, oh, that's someone that I would want to do business with. Do you know that is what I think you all should do when it comes to faking it till you make it. All right. So those are my thoughts there, man. This wasn't even a long one because really, yes, y'all know I like getting to the point. You feel me? And so if you like this video, definitely hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. You know what I mean? And comment your thoughts below. Do you fake it till you make it? Like, are you one of those people who are living outside your means to portray a lifestyle that you actually not living? Like, if so, like, tell me how that's affected you. You feel me? Or if you feel like it works for you. All right? And I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I'll see you at the top.